Hi everyone, Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech, and today Apple released iOS 26 Beta 1 re-release. This is the revised version of iOS 26, and in this video I'm going to talk about what's new in the update. Now, just to show you, I'm still not running the iOS beta. I'm on iOS 18.5, but they've brought a new feature to iOS 26 Beta 1 re-release, and that is for you to check the update's build number directly from the software update page. Instead of having to go into About, iOS version, you can now check it from the software update page. Now, iOS 26 Beta 1 revision did not bring any new features, but it brought a couple under the hood improvements. I'm going to demonstrate what those are using my iPhone running iOS 18. iOS 26 brought this new sort of glassy look to the control center in iOS 26. There is a way to turn that off. You go into Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and we have Reduce Transparency mode. What that does will put a background behind your control center. Whenever you click on different toggles, you can turn on Reduce Transparency mode. I do not like the way this looks. It doesn't look that great, so I'm going to turn it off. But you were able to do that in iOS 26. And there is different splash screens throughout letting you know about charging your AirPods. And there is a new feature where if you fall asleep with your AirPods connected, they're going to let you know to pause the audio, or they're going to pause your audio whilst you're asleep. That's a new feature, a part of iOS 26, where it will automatically pause your audio when you're asleep with AirPods connected. So this isn't really a big update. There's updates and many improvements with iOS 26. It is quite the update. We have an updated camera where you have all your options at the bottom, and you have your shutter button. You have a lot of different options with iOS 26. Now, as far as when to expect the second beta or beta 2, I would not expect it next week. Next week, I would expect iOS 18.6 beta 1. And that's definitely because last year we had that happen where iOS 18 released in the form of beta, and then Apple went ahead and released iOS 17.6 beta 1. The same thing can happen this year. I would, however, expect beta 2 probably the week of June 23rd. Whether or not I'll be running that beta is hard to say, but I'm definitely going to install the public beta so I could give you guys updates. The only thing I would caution you is when you install the beta, make sure you put it on another device or have a computer to back up to. Sometimes, while it's rare, beta updates can actually brick your device. I've seen many videos of that happening. Essentially, your iPhone gets stuck on either the Apple logo or a boot loop. That is also why you should put it on a secondary device rather than put it on your main device. As far as anything else, well, that's it regarding iOS 26 Developer Beta 1 revision or re-release. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Mr. Hawkins with Hawkins Tech, and I'll see you guys later.